Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Well Said stamp set as well as the Painted Seasons Designer Series paper. I don't have the best lighting on this video for some reason, so I apologize for that. I won't be here too long. So what I'm doing here is I have a piece of 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 squared Designer Series paper, and I have angled it so that it is in my trimmer. One edge is in my trimmer, and then the other edge meets at about 1.5 inches. So it just has a nice little angled slope. Of course, you don't have to be as accurate. You can just lop off a little bit. Basically, this is about 1 inch strip of Call Me Clover, which is the green that is in this Designer Series paper. And I have just maybe shown about 1/16 of an inch. It's just like a teeny tiny little border that I am exposing. So I have my favorite adhesive, and I'm putting that whole card front piece, or that whole Designer Series paper piece, I will be putting it right on my Whisper White thick card base. And it's pretty simple to do. You just have to line it up. Like, there is no talent here whatsoever. I am totally letting the paper do all the heavy lifting, and it's gorgeous paper. This is free with a $60 purchase, this Designer Series paper. Or you can get the paper and the stamp set that goes with it for $120. Okay, and just folding it down with my bone folder, now comes the stamping. I have StazOn ink here, and which is like a beautiful, crisp, black ink. So you will never go wrong with this ink. You just have to stamp quickly because it can dry off on your stamps. So I'm using 2 different stamps. One says thanks and the other says for everything. And now I'm just applying some epoxy droplets. I got these ones from my Paper Pumpkin kit, but there is something similar in the catalog called the Frosted and Clear Epoxy Droplets. So I will put them in the description bar below in case you would like to pick some up while you're shopping. And that's pretty much my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.